OrCAD includes numerous libraries to help create schematic designs quickly. This video is going to show where to find included schematic libraries in OrCAD Capture. Section 1. Locating the included schematic libraries for OrCAD on your computer. Open Windows Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Navigate to C, Cadence, SPB 17.4, Tools, Capture, Library by browsing through the file structure. This is where all included schematic libraries for OrCAD are stored. Close Windows Explorer and open a design in OrCAD Capture. Section 2. How to utilize the included schematic libraries in OrCAD Capture. In this section, we will search a standard library and place a part from that library in OrCAD Capture. Select Place Part from the menu. To add a new library to the list, select Add Library. Browse to the aforementioned library folder, C, Cadence, SPB 17.4, Tools, Capture, Library. In this example, we will be placing a transistor. Select the desired library and click Open. This will add the library to the libraries table and open the part list automatically. Search for the desired part to place by entering the name into the search bar above the part list. The part will be highlighted automatically and a preview of the part will be shown in the window. Click the Place Part button to attach the part to the cursor, and click again to place in the schematic. To rotate the part, press R on the keyboard. When finished, right-click and select End Mode, or press Escape on the keyboard. If you don't know which library your desired part is in, you can search for the part. Click Expand under Search for Part. Enter the name of the desired part into the search bar. By using asterisks, as shown here, Capture will search for the term between any combination of letters and numbers. Press Enter or click Part Search to start the search. If the search term exists in the included libraries, it will be shown here. To place the part, select the entry and click Add, then select the library from the main list. You can similarly enter the name of the desired part into the part list search bar and select Place Part. Click to place the part in the schematic, then right-click and select End Mode. Parts from included schematic libraries have been added. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.